so messy right now, so what I'm gonna do is clean everything off of my desk and organize it. Forgive me for the messy desk, but I still wanted to show you some of the things that I've gotten this entire month. So first, I got this container for college. I'll take everything out so you can see how it works. It's a container like this, and then when you flip these two parts up, they fold down. That's very useful, and I'm going to be using it for college. Right now, I have some of the stationery I'm bringing. For example, I have like the ones that showed in the stationery essential. Bringing this transparent container, I just want a consistent theme. So as you can see, this container is transparent. This will be transparent. And also a new thing that I've recently gotten is this Sarasa pen, and this one is in the color gray. As you all know from the recent video, I did talk about the things that I'll be bringing, and one of these were the Daiso containers. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this Daiso container here, and I did buy another one just specifically for college. So I'm going to try transferring all of the things that I want to bring. And something that I forgot to mention that I will be bringing are mild liners. Now, I'm not a very big fan of mild liners, but I also know that I do need to use them up before I can buy like new highlighters. Next, I'm going to put these all in a specific place. That way, when I'm ready to move, I can quickly transfer them from one place to another. You can see this is like very different from how they're organized in the back. So these are the things that I'll quickly grab when I'm ready to move. And then obviously I have these stickers here. I hope I don't forget them, but I'm pretty sure I won't. And you see this monstrosity of a Daiso collection here. All I have to do when moving is just pick up this container, and then I'm ready to go. This is currently the circumstance of my desk right now. I have a lot of things on here. It's like a couple days before moving, and I just wanted to get everything sorted out. As you can see, I do have extra washi tape here, so I do have to figure out a way to organize the washi tape. But other than that, I have my little suitcase here to put some of the stationery that I have. So my washi tape container is completely full, so I've resorted to putting washi tape in this one. And all I'm gonna do, because these shelves are pretty loose, is I'm gonna tape this entire thing up just to make everything a little bit more secure. Same goes for this. So right here we have an extra box, but over here I have this area full of stationery. So you can see this is my iPad holder, and then I have some decorations. I have some stickers here. It's just a bunch of stationery. And then over here I have a suitcase full of stationery. It's now Saturday, the last full day I'll be here in SoCal, and I'm actually going to a cup sleeve event. I thought I would update you guys on some things I have on the desk. So here are the things I have. I have a tripod, I have my blue light glasses, my bullet journal obviously, and then I'm gonna use this to hold my iPad. Okay, ready?
Wait, don't look at it yet.
Wait, no, it's in here, right?
Is it in here?
I don't know. Tell me, is it in here? There's nothing here, right?
No, that's the page with just some.
Okay. Oh, it was?
Yeah.
Ah, nice. Okay.
Okay, you gotta say I fancy you, I love you.
What?
Do it!
I fancy you, I love you.
Who do you want?
I want just some. Okay. I can use a sticker later for journaling. Okay, ready? Okay. Is it gonna come out? I don't know.
Okay, yeah, it's right there. Hold on.
Where? It's stuck to the sticker! No! Okay.
Oh,
Get it out of the sticker. Okay.
It's right here. It's on the top.
Okay.
Show
what's
me.
in here?
Show me. Flip it around. Flip it around.
Right?
Wait. Flip it. Other way.
This way?
Yeah. Let me see. Oh my God! Look at it!
Oh my God! It's both of ours. Oh, that's so funny. And then here's the tats. And then wait, it has a Polaroid. Oh, it's Haechan.
Okay.
And then this is so cute. What is it? Oh, it says follow SM. Oh, this is nice. Oh wait, the posters. They have like really big posters. Ready? Oh, I feel like this is Haechan. Oh, so cute. Okay. And then the other one. I don't know why the posters are so big. Oh, I already know. Yeah. The colors. Wow. I already know. Hey, we got all of the ones we wanted. Yeah.
Okay. Stop covering it. Just let me smell.
Hey everyone. So here's another update. I actually had one of the best weeks. It's been amazing just hanging out with friends, family, and just spending more time with each other. I just thought that I would show you a little haul that I have. We went to the Source, which is near Buena Park or Knott's Berry Farm, and we bought a couple of stuff. The Source is known for a lot of Korean goods. Shout out to my sister for buying them for me. Then I also got an album at K-Place. This is the Hello Future album. It's so pretty. I'm gonna use this part as a sticker for my journal because I just think it's so aesthetic. And then also besides that, I saw these. This is just like a gridded notepad. I think it would be so cool for just journaling, either journaling or taking notes for school. It's filled to the brim. I'm at my door. I have leftovers here. And then obviously I have a little bit of stuffed animals here. All my stationery, more stationery here. And we have a bunch of things that we need to unpack. So that's basically what I'm going to do right now. I have officially moved into my dorm. I was really lucky to have this experience of actually moving into a dorm. This is where I'm going to end the video. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!